Since 1941, E.H. Wolf & Sons has been committed to customer satisfaction. Our professional staff, quality suppliers, and affiliated trade associations contribute to a reputation for corporate excellence, integrity, and safety. In addition to the retail of fuels, lubricants, and DEF, E.H. Wolf & Sons also offers our expertise in the sales, service, and installation of tanks and dispensing equipment. We professionally install bulk oil and fuel tanks, delivery and management systems, and high-quality shop lubricant dispensing equipment. With 4 generations of experience, E.H. Wolf will be there every step of the way.